बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज हम जोफ्रे चौसर के MCQs करेंगे PPSC इंग्लिश लेक्चरशिप की प्रिपरेशन के लिए। तो चलें स्टार्ट करते हैं। पहला है, इन विच लैंग्वेज द स्टोरीज ऑफ कैंटरबरी टेल आर रिटन। ट्रू आंसर इज मिडल इंग्लिश। हाउ मैनी लैंग्वेजेस डिड चासर नो। ट्रू आंसर इज 4 लैंग्वेजेस। फ्रॉम विच लैंग्वेज द वर्ड चासर हैज बीन ड्रिवन। True answer is French language. Where did Chaucer bury? True answer is Westminster Abbey. Chaucer was imprisoned during. True answer is 100 Years' War. Toward the close of which century did English replace French as the language of conducting business, of parliament and in court of law? The true answer is 14th century. Which king began a war to enforce his claims to the throne of France in 1336? Its true answer is Edward III. Who is called the English Homer? The true answer is Geoffrey Chaucer. Who is called the father of English poetry? True answer is Geoffrey Chaucer. Only a small proportion of medieval books survive, large numbers having been destroyed in. The true answer is the dissolution of monasteries in the 1530s. What is the first extended written specimen of Old English? The true answer is a code of laws promulgated by King Ethelbert or Ethelbert. The use of railroad for sea and lifehouse for body are example of which literary technique? The true answer is keening. How did the Henry II, first of the England's Plantagenet kings, acquire the vast provinces in southern France? Its true answer is his marriage to Eleanor of Aquitaine. Which 12th century poets were indebted to Breton storytellers for their narratives? Mary de France and Sheraton de Troyes are true answers. To what did the word Roman, from which the word romance emerged, initially apply? True answer is a word written in French vernacular. Popular English adaptations of romances appealed primarily to. The true answer is the clergy. Why did the rebels of 1381 target the church, beheading the Archbishop of Canterbury? The true answer is the church was among the great oppressive landowners. Who is termed as the morning star of Renaissance? The true answer is Geoffrey Chaucer. Geoffrey Chaucer served which king? The true answer is Edward III. The prevailing feature of Chaucer's humor is his urbanity is true answer. What event resulted from premature death of Henry V? True answer is the War of Roses. Which literary form developed in 15th century personified vice and virtue? The true answer is morality play. What was the occupation of Chaucer's father? Its true answer is he was a vintner. Chaucer became a page to which king's daughter-in-law? Its true answer is Edward III. What was the duration of 100 Years' War? Its true answer is 1337 to 1453. In which year Chaucer was imprisoned by French? Its true answer is 1360. Geoffrey Chaucer was fined in 1367 for beating a friar in London street is true answer. Chaucer became the controller of custom during. True answer is 1374 to 1385. Geoffrey Chaucer became a member of parliament in. The true answer is 1386. During the 14th century, Which institution had the greatest influence on people of England? Its true answer, the Church. Who is represented as the most honest and moral character in Chaucer's Pilgrim? True answer is Parson. How many times the wife of Bath had been widowed? True answer is 5 times. Which pilgrim's tale contains the character of Nicholas and Absalom? The true answer is the Miller's Tale. Which pilgrim's tale is based upon one of the Boccaccio's courtly romances? The true answer is the Knight's Tale. In prologue, we are told that he was at Alexander. Its true answer is the Knight. His tale tells the story of a maiden whose beauty inspires a judge to attempt to attain her through a trumped lawsuit. The true answer is the physician's tale. What is the name of rooster in Nun's Priest's Tale? Its true answer is Cantlier. What is the name of the inn where the narrator meets all the pilgrims? True answer is the Tabard Inn. Which pilgrim was known as Madame Valentine? Its true answer is the Prioress. Who told the dirtiest stories? The true answer is the Miller. How old is the character of January? The true answer is 60 years old. January became blind in the course of time. Who gives his sight back? The true answer is Plato. Who writes letter to May? The true answer is Damien. The wife of Bath had physical impairment. Which was that? The true answer is deafness. How did Harry decide who would tell the first tale? The true answer is drawing straws. How many people are going to pilgrimage to Canterbury? Its true answer is 30 peoples. How many tales will each pilgrim tell there and back? Its true answer is 4 tales. How many tales did Chaucer complete before he died? Its true answer is 24 tales. Troilus and Cressida is a work which is written by. The true answer is Geoffrey Chaucer. Several pilgrims set off to whose shrine? Its true answer is Thomas à Becket, Canterbury.